high level language. It is a general purpose and structured programming language. It helps in the development of system software. System software like operating system. C is mainly used for designing operating system. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. Any programming language has its own rules for writing programs. C is also having some rules for writing programs. First one is all keywords must be lowercase letters. We use lowercase letters for writing C programs. We use uppercase letters only when declaring constants like declaring 5 value. Second one is C is case sensitive. We write num in lowercase letters and somewhere we write in uppercase letters. Then C preprocessor treated as lowercase letter num is different from uppercase letter num. Third one is keywords can't be used. C is having some keywords like int, float. We can't use them for storing values like int is equal to 100. Fourth one is main function. C program is divided into functions. In each program we should write one main function. It is the heart of the program. The program execution starts with the main function. Basic structure of a C program. First we write comments. Comments begin with slash star and ends with star slash. It is used for our purpose what the below code is doing. Comments can be written anywhere on the program, but by practice we write first comments. Then we write preprocessor statements. Preprocessor statements begin with hash symbol. If we want to use some functions, then we should include their header files in the preprocessor